our trailer corollary cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 45.5 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 32 inches tall. Please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off, and this cabinet is split into 3 sections. First section is located on the left, second section located on the right, and third and last section is located on the back. Top of the first section is also a swing door, and beneath you could dump or store your products by opening the swing door. Measurements for the first section will include 30 inches in length. Beneath the first section are 2 swing doors, and below is split into 2 sections. The first shelf will measure 28 3/4 inches in depth, 30 inches in length, by 13 inches in height. Measurements for the bottom level will include by 16 3/4 inches in height. Measurements for the second or corner section will include 30 inches in length by 15.5 inches in depth. Dual swing doors and measurements for the cabinet will include 30 inches in length, 14 inches in depth, by 30 inches in height. Last but not least, we have the last and back section, and located on the other side is the first section. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.